Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a very nice emoji as a guy is smiling with showing all his teeth in front of you. For this purpose, we already have drawn a bigger outlines, a bigger circle here. Now we are going to do the details. Let's start the drawing. First, we are going to draw the eyeball here. It's a deep dark color inside. Around it, we are going to draw a little bigger circle, and also again a more bigger circle we're going to draw outside that one. All right, so this is the right eye, you can see here. Let's make the color little bold. Okay, also we're going to draw the left eye the same way as you have done the right one. All right, so let's see. As you see, the guy is smiling, so we're putting a whole graphical outline here. Okay, and we're going to draw the teeth, the middle, other one, and the beside that one. This is the first one and this is the second one, so it's a big smile, you can see here. Okay, let's increase the thickness of the left eye. As you can see, the same things happened for the right eye here. Also, we need to increase the thickness for the mouth here, you can see. So this is looking more bold than the previous one. All right, now we are going to put the color for the whole area. Let's begin from the top. Now I'm doing the left side. The coloring process is going on. Moving to the right side of the circle, which is right from us as we look forward to the drawing. So the perspective is considering from our point of view. All right. We can provide the blue color inside the eye and making this part nicely colorful one. Okay, so you can see that the drawing is complete. I hope you like the video. Please follow all the steps and the procedures as we have shown during the drawing. You can do practice, lots of practice, and the drawing is going to be better day by day. Each time you're going to draw a new one, the drawing is going to be better than the previous one. You can also go to the playlist and browse through different categories available in our channel, and you have lots of options. You can select your own choice to begin your drawing learning, and you can go forward. We have lots of options, lots of drawings for you guys. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.